Hey guys, Striple here. Today I want to show you something. As you all know, I have the Sena 10C on my helmet. It's a very great intercom, and I'm so happy about it that I couldn't wait to buy myself 10C Pro. Now, we're gonna unbox this one together. The reason I bought this one is because I'm so happy with my 10C. It got all the things I need. Only the footage quality could be better. I know, but if you want to have a great quality, you buy a GoPro. This is an intercom with a camera, not a camera. A lot of people mix that up. The intercom comes in first place, not the camera. So, the reason why I bought this is because this camera should be a little bit better than that camera. This one got 30 frames in a 1080 pixel. This one got no. Oh. This one got 60 frames in 1080 pixel, and this one got 30 frames. So that's the difference. What this baby can do is, as you can see, you have two speakers. I hope they're in this box. Two speakers, a mic for open helmet. Now, as you can see, I'm not going to use it. I use this mic, and it's a good mic. A small tip: if you're gonna never use 10C before, if you use that mic or the other, I don't know, I never used the other one, but if you use that mic, put your settings on low, because it's very loud and it's a very strong mic. Put it on low, you have the best results with it. Oh yeah. So you have Bluetooth. You can connect your phone with it, your GPS system. It's pretty handy. I use them both. I connect my phone, my GPS, so I have the voice of my GPS, which direction I have to go, and all that. And when someone's calling me, just press the button and bam, I have a conversation on the phone, and the connection is so good that even people don't notice that I'm on a motorcycle. So it's very good. Unbody design, whatever that may be. You have a 1440 pixel quality HD video, 125 degrees wide view, a lens rotation up to 30 degrees, and that's very good. Because with the GoPro, okay, you can put your camera angle perfect if you try it a couple of times. This one, I will show you, it's very easy to put your camera angle perfect. A Bluetooth intercom up to 1.6 kilometers. Now, that's a lie, really. That's totally a lie. I think 500 meters is the maximum with an intercom. Not only this one, all intercoms, by the way. 4-way intercom, you can connect 4 intercoms, 3 others and yours, with 4 riders. It works perfect, very easy. Smart audio mix, voice prompt, water resistant for use in inclement weather. Now, I only write once in the weather with this cam, and okay, it was not a problem. It was a short rain. Maybe when you're in heavy rain, I don't know, I would protect it, but I'm gonna test that out. Advanced noise control, whatever that may be. I noticed you have a mic in your helmet, of course, and a mic on the 10C. So, when it's windy, and it's very windy, you can hear the noise. If they mean advanced noise control by that. Yeah, for 80% that's okay. Music sharing, yeah, can be used while charging on road trips. Built-in FM radio tuner with a station scan and save function. Yep, you can save 10 or 12 radio stations with it. I only use 2. Smartphone app for phone and Android. If you connect your phone, your intercom with your phone, you can change the settings of your device with your phone. Now, then you have a smartphone app here, right? So, firmware upgradable, of course. Now the moment that we all have been waiting for. Gonna open this box. Oh. Open this one. Yeah. Got it mate. What's that? To minimize the risk of serious injury, death or product damage. To minimize the risk of death, okay. Not a bomb in it, right? So, this is a device, just the same, just as big as my old 10C. Protection for your camera. Looks good. Sorry. Oh yeah, the thing I wanted to show you for the camera angle. This red dot is amazing. I mean, when you put it on your helmet is not always on the line like that, so it couldn't be that your camera is hanging off like this. Always put the red dot in the middle, bam, like this, and your camera angle is perfect. Such a how do you say it? Easy to do. How do you say it? So simple to put your camera angle correct. Let's keep it like that. Then this is your camera button. Can put your camera on and off. Small. You can take pictures with it. Do a little loop, I believe. Yeah, your radio channel. So this is the device. Full black, I like it. More beautiful than the other one. The other was silver gray here. So, 2 buttons. On and off. Your volume. Louder or less loud. You can also tune your radio channels with it. Only 3 buttons, so it's easy to use when you're riding. Okay. Put this over here for a while. Then we have lecture. Well, nobody gonna read this. At least I'm not gonna read it. A charger. Now this is also handy. If you put your connection in here, connect it in here, the cable, and you have a connection for this one on your motorcycle, your battery won't go low. Now, the thing is, they promise you 2 hours of recording with this device. Well, in the beginning you have 2 hours recording. I can tell you, after 1 year, actually 9 months, I only can record 50 minutes. That's a shame. I mean, such a beautiful device. That's the only thing I can say, like, nah. It's the battery life should be better, but I have an option for that. I use a power bank, small one. Actually too big for me, but just put the cable in your. It's a different connection apps. Anyway, this is my old cable. So you put your cable in your intercom, connect it, and it's long enough. Put that in my jacket, and you see, I got all movement, it's no problem. And then I can record 6 hours. So external battery, not gonna use it. Use my my power bank, and I'm totally fine for 6 hours. Then oh, that's that cable. I wanna know now. Because I don't wanna hear, I don't wanna know. Why do they always make it so difficult? Come on. Got it. Come over here. Give me that. Is it as long? Is it the same size? It's exactly the same size. But it's different indeed. I see now. So this cable is not exactly the same. Anyway. So you will use this cable then for my power bank. Then the mic, if you have an open helmet. Like this. No. Yes, like this. We have the mic with wire that I'm using right now. It's pretty handy. Can with this one, you have to try it out for yourself, which is the best spot to put your mic above your mouth, under, left or right. I put it straight in the middle, bam, and I think the noise is good. The little wire here, you can put it easily behind your, how do you say that stuff in your helmet? So you could use some little bit tape. I didn't use tape, I just put it behind my you know, and it never changes from position, so perfect. Then big bag. Good. Oh, my speakers. Yes. So Ola, not you. So mic protection. You can put that over here, you know. and you feel like a real journalist. Another mount, like a GoPro mount, same like I got here, you know, like M3 stuff. Oh yeah, this is the same. You can put it over the speakers, so it's soft for your ears. And that stuff that you put on the back side of your speakers and on the inside of your helmet. So I use this one right now. I have a key. How do you say it? Well, it should be handy if there was a... Is it not in the box, really? Ah, here it is. Why don't they put this one there? Anyway, so you can open up this mouth and you put it on your helmet. And then this fits right in, click, and that's it. And you're ready to go. So these are all the stuff in the box. Yes. It's a very easy setup actually. After a couple of minutes, you're ready to go. Why is my helmet? I need air. It's closed. So that was it. I don't have to use any of this because I have my old setup, and only thing I have to do is click this one off, click this one on, and I'm ready to go. That's the beautiful part of it. So I hope you guys like this unboxing video. I never did one before, so I hope you enjoy it. I hope you get a little bit wiser. There's not much left to say, I think. You can use a radio. You can use your connect your phone, your GPS with it. You can record a big hour in the beginning too, then an hour, but use a power bank or an external battery and you're good to go for a couple of hours. I can record 6 hours, so yeah, that's about it. So hope you enjoyed the vid. Hope you get any. Do you have any questions? Let me know and I will answer them for you. Have a good night because it's 2:30 in the night at night. So see you next time, guys. Ciao.